Surely you have encountered a situation where you press and hold the car's ignition key but it won't open. Don't worry, in this video, I will show you the 3 most common causes and how to fix them on the spot. The first cause may surprise you. Problem number 1. Remote battery shutdown. You are about to go somewhere and suddenly, the car won't receive the signal from the remote. You have pressed it, tried everything, but the car is still stuck. The advice for this problem is to go to a convenience store and buy a new battery to replace it, and below are instructions on how to replace the battery for the remote. In addition, always carry a spare battery in the car in case of emergency. Problem number 2. Vehicle electrical system failure. Battery failure is the leading cause of electrical problems in vehicles, often occurring when the battery is weak, discharged due to long-term use or forgetting to turn off devices. The obvious signs are that the vehicle is difficult to start or the lights and horn work poorly. In addition, corroded or loose battery terminals also reduce the ability to transmit electricity, while a swollen or cracked battery indicates complete failure. To solve battery failure, you can jumpstart the vehicle temporarily if the battery is weak. For corroded terminals, clean them thoroughly. However, if the battery is too old or severely damaged, the best and only solution is to replace the battery to ensure safety and stable vehicle operation. Faults from wires and fuses are common problems in the vehicle's electrical system. Wires can be broken, disconnecting the device, or short-circuited, causing a short circuit, posing a risk of fire or explosion. The fuse acts as a guard, automatically burning and blowing when there is an overload of current to protect the components. A blown fuse is a sign of a problem in the electrical circuit. Therefore, it is necessary to find the root cause instead of just replacing the fuse. When the wire is broken or short-circuited, you need to find the location and reconnect or replace the wire. If the fuse is burned, replace it with a fuse of the same type. It is important that if the fuse burns continuously, you must check the entire circuit to find the root cause, avoiding the risk of more serious damage and fire. Problem number 3. Remote is broken or has interference. The 3 common causes of car remotes not working are electronic circuit failure, synchronization failure, and button failure. The circuits inside the remote can be damaged by impact or contact with water, while synchronization failure occurs when the car and remote lose connection, usually after changing the battery or cutting off the power supply. In addition, long-term use can also cause the buttons to wear out or get stuck, making it impossible to press to send a signal. If the remote has a faulty circuit, synchronization, or button, you should start by replacing the battery. Then, try to resynchronize the remote with the car. If that still doesn't work, the remote may be seriously damaged and you will need to take the car to a service center to replace the remote. The signal from the remote can be interfered with by other electronic devices. This often happens in areas with strong transmitters such as cell towers, shopping malls, or military areas. The waves from these devices can drown out the weak signal from your remote, rendering it useless. When the car remote is interfered with, you just need to move the car away from the interference source. Use the mechanical key to open the door or hold the remote close to the car so that the signal overcomes the interference. If you have tried all of the above methods and still cannot get it working, it is best to take your car to a garage for a thorough diagnostic check. To avoid and solve problems, you should periodically check the remote control battery and the car battery. Always know your car by reading the manual and always carry a spare mechanical key. When you encounter a problem, calmly find the cause and, if necessary, seek professional help. Have you encountered any other problems with your car? Leave a comment below so we can discuss. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe to the channel to support me to create more quality content. Thank you very much.